bought the Amazon Fire HD10 tablet with Alexa, 32GB 1080p. Usually this version is sold for $150 from Amazon with ads, but there was a sale going on this one from QVC, and I got it for around $80 with the code HOLIDAY, along with the regular discount that they were giving. So 2 discounts, right? The regular discount and also utilizing the code HOLIDAY. And I like to buy this through QVC because they give a free voucher for a caseable case that you can order from Caseable, and there'll be a code behind it which you need to enter when you're placing your order on Caseable. Apart from that, they also give you 1 year, 3 free apps for 1 year, which is a very good deal. Basically, Office Suite, Family Cookbook, and Hotspot Shield. So 4 freebies in total. One is the 3 free apps and 1 free case. And then the Fire HD10. Let me get it off the box. There you go. So I just unboxed it, and I haven't opened this up yet, so I'll do that now. And I also will be trying to set this up, and after that I will try to de-bloat all the Amazon stuff that we get from the tablet and try to put in the Google Play Store using the Amazon Fire Toolbox. So they have changed the internal color. Earlier it used to be black. This whole thing used to be black. Now it's not. It's a brown, like a cardboard brown, right? And also I got the blue version. So let's quickly look at the box. I see they are including Pluto TV on the top. I don't remember it, in the 2020 Fire HD10. 10.1 HD display, micro SD slot. This has been improved. It takes up to 1 TB now. RAM has improved. Dolby Atmos. Okay, looks pretty good. Let's check the tablet out then. And also, as you know, the regular charging brick and the cable are inside. Looks pretty standard USB-C and USB-A cable. And let's see the rating. It's 9 watts. 9 watts charger, so basically not fast charging, but still it's better than anything less than 9 watts. Because Google Pixel 4, as I remember, used to give 18 watts, right? So 9 watts is pretty good. So now to the actual tablet. There you go. So shiny like a mirror. It's blue. You have the power, volume up and down right here with the microphone, I think, on the top. And then there's definitely space for the charger and the 3.5mm headphone jack. This is for the 1 TB micro SD slot. And there you go.